Pineapple is exceptionally tasty and nutritious, but its structure sets it apart from most fruits. The tough, prickly skin makes peeling a chore, so many people skip it altogether. Those looking for convenience should learn to cut pineapple without sticky hands, messy juice, or the need to remove the eyes or peel the skin. You can whip up a stunning fruit platter in just minutes. Quick, easy to serve, and a huge time saver. I've tried numerous ways to cut pineapple, and these are the simplest, fastest, and most elegant methods. All you need is a kitchen knife. Let's start by cleaning the pineapple skin. First, rinse the pineapple. Avoiding sticky fingers and mimicking the feel of eating watermelon. The pineapple's natural engaging and enjoyable. Method 3. Quartered pineapple with skin removal. Start with a whole pineapple and cut off both ends. Slice it lengthwise into 4 equal parts. Arrange the chunks neatly on a plate and serve with toothpicks or forks to avoid sticky hands. This method is perfect for formal or social settings, letting guests enjoy the pineapple while chatting without mess. It shows the host's attention to detail and care, conveying warmth through thoughtful preparation. Pair the pineapple with yogurt, honey, or other fruits for a refreshing, varied platter that suits different tastes. Method 4. Sailboat-style cut. Take a pineapple piece and hold one end. With a knife, carefully slice along the outer peel, following its curve, to remove the flesh and eyes in one motion. Cut the flesh into bite-sized pieces, keeping the 2 outer pieces in place. Use your hands or knife to push and ceremonial. Method 5. Stick-supported individual portions. Cut off the pineapple's top and bottom, then insert chopsticks or sharp sticks from 4 directions. Remove the skin and slice the pineapple into 4 equal parts. This takes under a minute, requires no special tools, and is clean and quick. Even market vendors use this method. Each piece serves 1 or 2 people, making it great for sharing or daily snacks. It's a practical, treasure-like technique for any occasion, saving time and effort. Don't toss the pineapple leaves. Leave some flesh at the base and plant it directly in soil, ensuring the base is fully covered. Water daily to encourage root growth and place in a sunny spot. Doubling as an ornamental plant. It's simple and worth trying. Pineapple's sweet tart flavor is easy to love, but eating too much can irritate the tongue due to bromelain, a digestive enzyme in the core and skin